Anybody asked, I didn't do this. Mochi did it. Oops. So,
Cannot put 2 cups, too much ingredients.
so how now?
Hey friends, Dumpling Festival is just around the corner. And I'm thinking of making a giant super easy dumpling. It's always more fun to do things with family. It creates wonderful memories too. So let me check if Abby's free. Hey Abby.
Yes?
What you doing?
I'm playing with Mochi.
You want to come help make dumpling?
Okay, does Mochi need to come and help too?
It'll be fun.
Okay. I'm going to make sure you'll be fun. You want to come and help me dumplings? You can't eat the dumplings, okay? No eating the dumplings.
Here's Mochi.
Really? You just want to eat the fish, don't you? You want to eat the fish? You want to show us where to go? Ready? Go! Go, Mochi! Wow!
Yeah.
Prep everything already.
Yes, I prepped everything already.
Okay, cool. Okay, let me go wash my hands.
Okay.
Okay, so tell me, what do we have here?
Okay, we have a bunch of traditional and non-traditional ingredients.
Okay, that
because I
sounds
want to
good.
make it extra special for you.
Aw, thanks.
Okay, so I have here chestnuts.
Okay. I love chestnuts. Chestnuts
Yeah.
is yummy.
Okay, and I also have some roaster.
Mochi will like that. You like that, don't you, Mochi?
Yeah, what you like that?
You go.
Okay, be careful. She likes that. Okay, sausages. Try to find nitrate-free ones if you can. And this is Abby's favorite ingredient.
Thai abalone!
It's an artificial abalone, not exactly Thai because it's made of squid.
Oh.
And she prefers this to the real thing, so and this is much cheaper.
I think the real abalone is too fishy. So
Okay.
I like this one because it just tastes like chewy fish cakes.
And then my favorite, I like salted egg yolks. So I'm gonna put 2. And ginkgo nuts. I have quinoa to make it healthier.
That's good.
Okay, I did soak some things last night while you were sleeping. So here is glutinous rice, 1 cup of it pre-soaked overnight. I have a bunch of Chinese mushrooms and scallops pre-soaked overnight. And I seasoned some chicken. Of course you can put pork, but since both of us don't like pork and it's not so healthy, we put chicken. I seasoned it with 1 teaspoon of coriander, 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soya sauce, and 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil. Okay,
And what's this?
alright, this is for seasoning the rice. It's 1 teaspoon of sesame oil as well as a pinch of salt. Okay, can we get started?
Yes.
Of course, you can just throw everything in and just steam it, but it won't look very nice. So let's try and make it look pretty.
Okay.
Okay, we
What's
will
up?
line the pot
mesh.
with bamboo leaves, right?
Oh, these bamboo leaves.
Yeah, and I bought these that doesn't need soaking.
Oh, wow.
Okay, so I'm going to just line it. You can see? Line. So that we still get the flavor of the bamboo leaf. Okay, squeeze 3, I think.
Okay.
So we have 3 bamboo leaves. Okay, shall we make layers?
How?
Do you think that the prettier ingredients should be at the top of the dumpling?
Yes.
Okay, so which of the ingredients are prettier?
Yay, okay. I like the colors of this. So, can I?
Okay, you put them in first then.
Okay. All?
Yeah. Yes, all of them.
Okay, so
Lots
let's
of
go with
ingredients. Okay.
some reds. And then let's go with some oranges who are not coming out of the bowl. Oh, there was a spoon.
Yes.
And let's put some yellows. I don't think most people approach cooking like an art class, but I'm going with a mixture of colors because, you know.
Okay, and what else do you want next? Do you want your favorite ingredient to be shown?
I can put some all?
All?
Okay, all. Okay, fine. Do I separate them?
No, you just squish them in. You want to pack them
Squish.
tightly. You want to pack them tightly.
Okay, I was approaching this wrong.
Okay.
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 Can
Yeah, just put it all in. Okay.
Okay.
We got to season the rice. So we have a cup of pre-soaked glutinous rice, and we're going to have also another cup of quinoa because we want to make it healthier. So I'm going to mix this together. You will need to season it with some sesame seed oil and some salt. Oops.
That's
mix it up.
pinch of salt.
You can also use brown rice, but I thought quinoa is actually healthier than brown rice.
Yeah, and I actually like quinoa better than rice sometimes because it actually tastes really similar for me.
Put half of the rice in.
Okay. Half of it.
Yeah, half of it. Pack it in.
Okay, Abby, let's try this.
Yeah.
Abby. Okay, Abby made a mess.
It's okay because it's going to be steamed.
Okay, yep.
Is it
Let's go
tight
with the
enough? Let me
feeling.
check. Is it
How
tight?
tight does it have to be?
Yeah, because you don't want it to fall apart.
Oh, okay.
Okay, all right. Tight enough. Now we put the chicken and the
Chicken.
mushrooms and the scallops and the duck.
Okay, let's do this. Ooh,
Wow.
Okay.
So I don't know if you can see, it's quite packed with ingredients. I hope it will
sure they
taste
can
good.
see it.
Yeah, and the duck. Okay, and the duck.
And the duck. Okay.
Okay, and the rice.
Can it fit?
I don't know. I might have put too much ingredients this time.
I mean, it's not super tight.
It will
okay?
still be okay as long as it's not loose.
Okay,
Yes.
sure.
Okay, and 2 cups of water. Oh, I'm using the liquid from the mushroom.
If anybody asks, I didn't do this. Mochi did it. Oops.
Cannot put 2 cups, too much ingredients.
So, scratch that. It's not 2 cups. It's a cup and a bit. Okay, put enough water to cover until the surface. No need 2 cups. Okay.
You can go steam it.
Okay, let's go.
I'm using an electric lunch box, but you can always just use a wok or a pot and steam this. Abby,
Yes.
our giant dumpling is done.
Yeah, right. I'm hungry. Okay, hungry. Hungry. Whoa.
Okay.
That's huge.
Let's just turn the you
Oh.
hold it, yeah, so that we can
Okay.
turn it around. Okay,
Okay.
let's turn it
Is it
around.
hot?
It's not that hot.
Do I just pull the leaf?
Yeah.
Whoa. Wow.
Okay, we have the honors.
Oh, look at the juicy.
Yeah.
Wow.
Then you decorate with some
Coriander.
coriander. Yeah, I want to take a look. It's very nice. Okay. That's the giant dumpling.
Yay.
Taste test.
I'm gonna go from the side here because the top is very pretty.
This is really huge.
Mmm. Wow. Okay. You need to try this. Okay. Oops. It's really nice
it's very
because it still has the flavor of the leaf. It's really, really fragrant.
And it's so huge. How many people do you think this can feed?
I would say about 3 to 4, but
more.
we are small eaters. 3 to 4 for small eaters, 2 to 3 for big eaters.
Okay.
And clearly I'm not stopping.
Okay, I really hope that you want to consider making this, even if you don't know how to wrap the traditional dumpling, like me. I don't know how to wrap the triangular dumpling. And enjoy time with your family. If you want to see more of our videos, do like and subscribe.
Thank you so much for watching. God bless.
God bless.
Wow.